Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2018 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS in Nightfall Gray Metallic on black interior with black wheels. So we'll just start over here at the trunk. So here's the trunk on the Camaro. So decent sized trunk, probably one large size or medium size suitcase or a couple of duffel bags could fit back there. The opening is a little bit smaller, but you know, it is a sports car, so that's okay. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. We'll have a look from the back. It's got the nice large spoiler on the back. Looks very cool. It's got the matte black stripes with the red pin striping that goes up and over the car. Looks great. We've got the SS badging with the Camaro badge there. We've got reverse sensors built into the rear bumper. We've got the dual exhaust with dual tip on each side, and it also has the NPP. So there's a damper just there on the side that will open and close that valve to make it louder or quieter. And then we also have a reverse camera just above the license plate there, and the nice piano black painted, or yes, piano black painted roller louver there on the bumper. Looks great. So we'll just shift over here. Here's your rear wheel. Looks great. And let's see, we've got nice Goodyear tires on there, so Eagle F1s. We've got the Brembo brakes, Brembo calipers there. Nice black wheels. Looks great. So over here at the passenger side, it's got the lighting in it. So it's got the accent lighting there, as well as on the floor and in the cup holders and around the dash. So that looks great. We've got the Bose stereo in this one. We've got power locks, power windows, and nice leather insert there, as well as up top here. Here's your illuminated Camaro kick plate. Looks great. And let's pull this seat forward. Let's look in the back. So here's your back seat. So we've got a charge pad back there for your phone. Very cool. And we've got two seats with the silver inserts on the leather. Looks great. So we'll close that up. Here's the passenger seat. So we've got power 4, aft, up, down, and recline. And let me just scan up the seat so you can see. So it's a nice perforated leather with baseball stitching, and we've got the nice SS logo on the top of the seat there. So that's great. So I'll just hop in. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And let's check this out. So it's still got the tag on here, which is cool. It's got the original window sticker, and it's got the books. So that's all there. And there's your Camaro badge on the dash with a nice leather insert here. Feels great. Nice soft, supple Napa leather. And just have a look at the dash while I'm over here. Looks great. So let's hop out and close this side up. I'll also like to point out that it's got a security tagging on the vehicle, and it also has bliss. So that's a blind spot indicator there in the mirror. And we'll just step back and we'll scan down this side for you. Looks great. And we've got the nice black badging. So there's the Camaro badge in black. And here's your front wheel. So again, Goodyear Eagle F1 tires, Brembo calipers, and nice black wheels. Looks great. So here we are at the front, and there's the motor. So it's a V8 6.2 liter engine, which is 455 horsepower, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. We've got the nice strut tower brace that goes along the top, and as you can see, it's nice and clean under there. So we'll go ahead, we'll close it up. We'll have a look from the front. There's those nice stripes that go up and over the top. They look great. We've got the black louvers that accent nicely on the hood. We've got LED daytime running lights in there. We've got nice projector HID headlights and another LED marker down below. It's got the nice chin spoiler on the front. Looks great. And let's have a look, see if we can see anything to point out. Looks like a very, very clean car. So I don't see anything to point out on this one. So that's great. So we'll just shift over here. Here's your front wheel. Looks great. Nice Brembo brakes, Goodyear Eagle F1 tires, black wheels, and same thing back here. Awesome. So over at the driver's side, we've got a 2-user memory with an exit button to set. We've got our power locks, our nice brushed aluminum finished handle and insert there with the lighting. We've got our power windows and our power mirrors, and we've got a trunk release button below. There's your leather inserts with the nice baseball stitching around them. Looks great. And again, we've got that Bose stereo. Here's your kick plate on the driver's side, which is in great shape. And again, it illuminates too with the lighting. So down below, there's your power 4 aft, up, down, and recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seats so you can see the condition. Looks great. So let's hop in and fire this one up. Have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and turn this one on. So no warning lights, no issues on the dash. In terms of kilometers, we have 7,725 kilometers, nice and low. Over here, we have a heated steering wheel. We have cruise control. Up top, you've got your paddle shifters on each side. We've got voice command, telephone control, and then we've got the arrow keys. So the arrow keys will work the different settings on the dash: info, performance, audio, phone, nav, options. So those controls are there. You've got the nice SS badging there, and we've got baseball stitching that goes around the wheel as well. On this side, you've got your heads-up display controls. We've got our dimmer, and then our headlight controls on the wiper stalk. So I'll just turn off the headlights for a moment. There's your heads-up display on the windshield. So you can move the position with the buttons here, and we can also change the information that's displayed. So that's cool. And then there's also brightness beside that, so we can brighten it or dim it. And then on this side here, you have your push button start. So there's your start stop button. And then here's your radio. So we've got audio. If we click audio, radio, AM, FM, XM is there. We go media. So you could pair your phone and play media from your phone. We go home, we've got full factory navigation. Projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You've got traffic, apps, My Chevrolet, lighting, so you can change the color of the lighting. Let's see, light strips, link to drive mode, very cool. So as you can see, it's changing color above the screen, very neat. And if I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera, and we'll move the shifter out of the way for a moment. So down below, there's your climate control buttons here, and then we also have a cooled seat, a heated seat, and then this is your temperature for the driver, and this is your temperature for the passenger. Okay, there's your fan, on, off, and auto. So all those are there. There's your nice leather-wrapped 8-speed automatic transmission shifter with the Camaro logo on the top. Very neat, looks great. So this one's got mode control, so if we hit the different modes, we've got touring, sport, track, and snow ice. So those are there. There's your parking brake, electronic. There's your 12-volt socket, illuminated cup holder. And if we open this up, down in the back, you've got 2 USBs and a line in there as well. So we've got a power sliding sunroof, so we'll go ahead, we'll close that, show you its operation. Perfect, that works. And then you've got the nice frameless mirror with OnStar. We'll put the windows up and we'll hop out and have a look and listen while it's running. Nice sounding car. Let's just check here, driving mode. Let's see, so it's in track, perfect. Awesome. And we'll just have a look from the front here. There it is with the headlights on and the nice stripes. It looks great. What a fabulous looking car. And we'll just go ahead, we'll scan down this side. It's got the nice black mirrors. Wow. Nice rumble from the back. Great looking car. There you have it, folks. 2018 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.